So viewer, subscriber, wagwan. Welcome back to 4K Shilla Energy, and in this update we have two topics I will touch upon. We have Teejay if we talk about and Popcaan, two separate topics. So gentlemen, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to 4K Shilla Energy, like up the video, share it up, and please click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a new upload. As me, yeah man, make we jump in it. So we'll kick this review off with Teejay. Yeah man, the entertainer went to Africa. I don't know if I want to show him though, but anyways, Teejay went down to Africa and Teejay get a warm welcome from everybody. You see me? Yeah man. So Nigerian top singer Davido, or I don't know if I pronounce it right, but you can let me know in the comment section. You see me? Yeah man. Him welcome Teejay. And yo, a bag of things going. So I'm gonna play the video and make you see what's going on. As I think him and Teejay if do a collab. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, them for do some type of business together. And you know, some have to do with music. As me, yeah man. So if you know, leave it down in the comment section. As I say, I'm gonna play the video and make you see what's going on.
Chippy. Hey, Mr. Yesterday,
Yeah man, so the people them down in Africa love Teejay, see me? As Mr. Maria told them welcome the entertainer, and you know, you can tell say them love our music and them something there. So as me say, I'm not sure if it's a collab. I think it's a collab Teejay and Davido supposed to do. But even if it's a collab, you don't know, we're gonna wait and look out for it. See me? I don't know, I think it's a collab with Drift, I'm not sure. So I'm not gonna really bring it to the channel and talk funny like I'm certain, you see me? But if you don't know, please do let me know in the comment section, you see me? Yeah man, but it's a good look for Teejay. To be honest, be a subscriber. The first artist me see go down in Africa. Maybe other dancehall artists out there that went down to Africa, but at first me see an artist went down to Africa, one dancehall artist, you see me? Best believe, bro. Yes, I know say more maybe out there that went to Africa, but that for me, I first artist me as good on there, you see me? So big up to Teejay, same way. That's a good look, that's a big move from Teejay. And as we say, if it's a collab with him and Davido, yo, I cannot wait to hear the song what I'm gonna release, you see me? Yeah man, so Teejay, big up yourself, continue to make waves in a dance or continue to put in big moves, you see me? Yeah man, big up yourself man. So if you're a subscriber, let me know what you think about that as always. So Popcaan and another international artist link up in a Jamaica, and you don't know, so the comments are going to run wild. Remember the last time when Popcaan the link with an international artist in a Jamaica that goes by the name of 21 Savage. Remember say Valiant did this up Popcaan and call him groupie. Yeah man, the comments are run wild again because Popcaan, as me say, make a bad link up with another international artist. And it's like everybody a call Popcaan groupie again. They must say, yo, it's like Popcaan are the Prime Minister of JA, you see me? Cause every international artist we touch down here, them and Popcaan link up, you see me? You go see some video circulate with them and Popcaan at some party or vibes and a bag of things, you see me? Yeah man, so Popcaan and Trey Songz link up in a Jamaica, you see me? Them, it's like they were at a party, you go and all the vibes. I know the vibes there, see me? Yeah, man. And as me say, the people them in the comment section are called Popcaan group and a bag of things. So I'm gonna read some of the comments and make you see what I go on. And please do let me know what you think about it. You see me? Nah, go lie still. Most of the international artists them will come out here and them have Popcaan and see a link up. So, yo, wanna make me know what you think about it. You see me? Yeah, man. So just pray what I go on. Yeah, man, so the entertainer them have a good time. As you can see, Popcaan and Trey Songz link up at a party in JA. Yeah, man, them I enjoy themselves, you see me? So as me say, I'm gonna read some of the comments and make you hear what the people must say. So pre-war go on, if you reach this far, subscribe. Make sure say you subscribe, please and thank. So the first comment says, Popcaan I must say tour guide TPC with 2 laughing emoji. Another comment says, watch with Prime Minister with 4 laughing emoji. Another comment says, why me not know why them always a link up with Popcaan? Another comment says, I mean Poppy are the biggest international artist in Jamaica. So I see person calling Popcaan a groupie, but I wonder if they realize that on our world stage, he's the face of Jamaica, so most international artists will link him when they come to JA. Well, to be honest, that's kind of true, you know. Popcaan is an international artist. A lot of other international artists, them know Popcaan. You see me? A lot of other international artists, them know Popcaan. So you see, if them come out in a JA, them are look for link up with him. A lot of people, if you understand that. I know groupie, but Popcaan, them are going to link up Popcaan. And most of the time, I doubt if the artists even link them. I feel like say at the international artists, them link up Popcaan. You see me? And why not? Why, yeah, if you are an artist, if you're a big international artist for your country, why wouldn't you go? You see me? Why wouldn't you go and go link up with some other artists who are come down in your country? And why wouldn't you go and show them the place? And what Popcaan I do basically, Popcaan basically I show them Jamaica, you see me? So it's not being a groupie, it's just that them a goodly link Popcaan and him just a forward out and I show them the place, you see me? But anyways, if you're a subscriber, wanna know the drill, let me know when you think about that, you see me? Leave it down in the comment section, let me know when you think about any of the topic that you want me to touch upon. Remember, big up on yourself, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy if you reach this far, like up the video and share it up, and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss another upload. Big up on yourself, 4K Shala Energy. Catch you now in the next one.